Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play good in zone wars using an easy method. First, always prioritize understanding the zone's movement. Predicting where the safe area will shrink next is crucial for positioning. Next, focus on securing high ground whenever possible. It offers a significant advantage for vision and control. Lastly, be mindful of your building materials, conserving them for essential defensive and offensive plays. This foundational approach will set you up for success. During the early stages, your primary goal is efficient looting and smart positioning. Land in a less contested area to quickly acquire a good weapon and some healing items. Once equipped, aim to secure a central spot within the first zone. This allows for flexible rotations to subsequent zones without being caught off guard. Remember, avoiding early, unnecessary engagements preserves your health and valuable building materials for later, more critical fights. Play smart, not aggressive initially. As the mid-game progresses, proactive rotations become key. Always aim to move into the next safe zone well before the storm closes in, giving you time to assess the situation. When building, prioritize simple, effective cover over complex structures to conserve resources. A single wall or ramp can often provide sufficient protection. Strive to maintain at least 500 of each material type: wood, brick, and metal, ensuring you have enough for defensive and offensive plays. Resource management is vital. In the intense late game, smart engagements are paramount. Look for opportunities to eliminate opponents who are exposed or caught rotating, rather than initiating risky 1-versus-1 fights. Utilize natural cover like hills or trees to minimize your building material usage. When you do build, use minimal structures to protect yourself. Your goal is to outlast and outsmart your opponents. Consistently aiming for a top 3 finish will significantly improve your overall performance and rank in zone wars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.